In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify product pricing not updating. If you've ever been in a situation where you've changed the price for a product on Shopify, only to find that it hasn't updated, you know how frustrating that can be. So let's dive in and help you solve this issue once and for all. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. So go ahead and log into Shopify and click on the My Store tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your store, from orders to products and beyond. Once you're there, the next step is to head over to the Products section. This section is crucial because it holds all the information about every single item you sell. Next, you'll need to locate the specific product for which you want to adjust the price. Simply scroll through your product list or use the search feature to find it quickly. Once you've found the product, click on it to open its detailed view. Here, you'll see a range of options and settings you can change for this specific item. Now that you're on the product page, you should see the current price displayed. Click directly on the price to edit it. It's important to input the correct price that you wish to update it to ensure accuracy. Make sure to double-check the price you enter because any mistakes here will directly reflect on your store's front end, impacting your customer experience. After entering the new price, the next crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen, and click it. Remember, saving your changes is vital because if you navigate away from this page without saving, any alterations you made will be lost. Always double-check that you're saving these changes, as this is commonly where mistakes happen. By following these steps, your product pricing updates should take effect almost instantaneously. It's a good practice to revisit your store's front end and verify that the changes are reflected as you intended. This ensures there's no discrepancy between what's displayed to customers and what you've set on the back end. If you find the updates still haven't reflected, try clearing your browser cache or checking on different devices to ensure it's not a local browser issue. Finally, don't forget that regular maintenance and checking over your product details can go a long way in preventing issues like this from arising in the first place. That's all for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Shopify pricing issues are now a thing of the past. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.